Hey guys, it's Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are doing lying leg raises. For these, we want to make sure that our head is relaxed on the ground. Legs are going to start up in the air. We're going to make sure that we keep our lower back glued to the floor the entire time. That is going to dictate how far your legs can come down. Arms by your sides. Now, if your lower back starts to come off the ground, then you've gone a little too far. So we want to make sure that it stays on the ground the entire time. Again, comes up, you've gone too far. So just stay through your range of motion. If you can come down to almost the ground, then do that, but don't let your legs come down. We can also modify by bending our legs. That might help you get more range of motion to keep your lower back on the ground. So we're strengthening through our abs. So if you want more ab exercises like this in your workout program, sign up for online personal training at KyraWilliamsFitness.com.